The Huawei foldable phone has been officially confirmed by the company as not only offering a folding screen but also 5G connectivity. The Huawei CEO Richard Yu spoke out at the recent Mate 20 Pro launch where he confirmed the 5G nature of the company's new foldable phone. He said, "We are working on foldable phones, foldable 5G phones." While he didn't say it in the sentence, rumors suggest the plan is to release the handset in 2019. Samsung has also expressed a desire to be the first company to release a truly foldable smartphone early in 2019 with its Galaxy X. Although this launch date keeps getting pushed back, will Huawei be there first? Samsung is expected to launch 5G in one handset but the foldable ability in another, whereas Huawei appears to want to combine the two. Samsung's developer conference, next week, may reveal more about its foldable phone plans. Samsung is expected to launch its foldable phone in early 2019 with Huawei's phone also expected around that time. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time.